In my today's video, I will tell you about the ringtone problem in your device POCO C55. So if in this device POCO C55 you are having any problem related to the ringtone, like the ringtone is not ringing or not working properly, I will tell you how you can fix it. Before I start the video, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch complete video and learn how you can fix the ringtone issue in your device.